Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger. I started using Instagram to reach potential customers for my business. I post photos of my products and give people little information on what I do. I also post special offers and discount codes. This has really helped boost my sales and bring in new customers. Instagram is a social media platform that can be used to boost your sales. In this video, we'll discuss some strategies that have worked for us. Businesses can use Instagram to create a profile for their company, share photos and videos of their product or service, and interact with customers. By using Instagram, businesses can connect with customers and create a brand identity. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms. Creating an account and uploading photos is easy and can be done in minutes. The platform is popular with people of all ages and has a wide variety of uses. When it comes to online store marketing, Instagram should be a key part of your strategy. And the payoff can be significant. With less spend, you can see more sales, but it's important to do it correctly, and there are a few things to keep in mind. First, making sure your account is set up for business. This means adding your website address to your profile and using relevant hashtags. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience. What are hashtags and how can you use them? Hashtags are a great way to get your message out to a larger audience on Instagram. By using relevant hashtags, you can connect with people who are interested in what you have to say. Additionally, using hashtags can help you get more followers and generate more sales. When choosing hashtags to use, be sure to select ones that are relevant to your business. Also make sure that the tags are popular enough that they will be seen by lots of people. You can use a tool like Hashtagify to find the right hashtags for your business. When you use relevant hashtags in your posts, people who are interested in those topics will see your content and may click through to visit your website. In addition to using hashtags in your posts, you can also use them in your profile bio and in comments. This will help reach even more people who might be interested in what you do and what you have to say. Another key factor in being successful on Instagram is to actually create engaging content. Creating content that engages your followers is key to maintaining a successful Instagram account and reaching more customers. Photos and videos are a great way to create content that is both interesting and engaging. Here are a few tips to creating photos and videos that will get more sales and reach more customers. Keep it interesting. When creating photos or videos, try to think outside the box and be creative. This will help keep your followers engaged and interested in what you have to share. Use a variety of media. Don't just stick to photos, mix it up with videos too. This will help keep things fresh and exciting for your followers. Tell a story. A great way to engage your followers is to tell a story through your photos or videos. Use Instagram to drive traffic to your website. Instagram can help drive traffic to your website in a couple ways. The first is by adding links to your posts. When someone clicks on the link, they'll be taken to the page you specify. This is a great way to get more people to visit your website and learn more about your products or services. By using both links and hashtags in your Instagram posts, you can reach more customers and drive more traffic to your website. Measure the success of your Instagram campaign. Tools that can help you track the success of your campaign. Instagram is a powerful marketing tool that can help you reach more customers and increase sales. However, it is important to track the success of your campaign so you can adjust and optimize your efforts. There are a number of tools and apps available to help you do this, including Instagram Insights. This is a free tool provided by Instagram that gives you insight into who your followers are, when they're most active, and what kind of content they prefer. Google Analytics. This tool tracks website traffic, including where it comes from and how it's converted. It can be used to track website visits from Instagram followers back to your website. Hootsuite. This social media management platform allows you to track how many people are talking about your brand on social media, as well as measure the reach and engagement of your posts. It is a paid service, but they also offer a free light version that you can try out and see if it's a tool that you would like to use with your business. Additionally, the visual design of Instagram can help businesses create engaging visuals that can attract new customers. For businesses looking to grow their brand and reach more customers, Instagram is a powerful tool worth considering. Instagram is a powerful marketing tool for businesses of all sizes. With its ability to reach more customers and generate leads, Instagram can help you get more sales. By understanding the demographics and engagement insight of your audience, you can better target niche-specific trends on Instagram. This will help you achieve even greater success with your marketing efforts. When you add that to the fact that over 58% of people become more interested in a product after seeing it on stories, there's no doubt that stories offers an incredible opportunity for businesses. Not only can you reach more customers through stories, but you can also get more sales. In fact, one study found that businesses who use stories see a 14% increase in sales. Since Instagram Reels launched, it's become a popular way for businesses to share short-form vertical videos that are 60 seconds long. Reels can be used to market your business and reach more customers. Here are some tips for using Reels to get more sales. Make sure your videos are high quality and informative. Share videos that are relevant to your target audience. Use hashtags to help people find your videos. promote your reels on other social media platforms, and optimize your videos for SEO, search engine optimization. In conclusion, using Instagram for your business can be extremely beneficial, but it's important to use it the right way. By following the tips in this video, you can increase your sales and see a boost in your bottom line. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, do it now so you don't miss the next video. Hitting the like button is always appreciated. We constantly upload videos to help entrepreneurs, so join us in the next one, and thanks for watching.